Have you ever looked at a menu, seen yet another avocado dish, and just thought, okay, is this actually doing anything, or is it just a trendy culinary fad? Like, sure, it looks incredible on toast, but is there actually something deeper going on biologically? Well, welcome to this explainer. Today we're cutting through the hype. We're going to dive straight into the data, looking at this strictly through a nutritionist lens to reveal its true superfood status. Let's get into it. So, let's look at the big picture. When we analyze this fruit from an expert nutritionist perspective, it becomes super clear. This isn't just a tasty snack. It's actually an incredibly dense, highly functional biological package. Literally, the clinical data shows us that the avocado is structurally engineered to support multiple complex systems in your body, all at the exact same time.
All right, here is our agenda. First, we'll look at the nutritional profile of the superfood. Second, those heart-protecting healthy fats. Third, fiber for weight management. And finally, number 4, eye and bone-protecting nutrients. Section 1. The nutritional profile of the superfood.
To actually earn the title of a true superfood in the clinical nutrition world, an ingredient has to deliver a really complex matrix of essential compounds. It can't just be a passing trend or offer one single benefit, right? Just think about the sheer density we're working with here. We've got a strong foundation of healthy monounsaturated fats and dietary fiber, plus significant levels of potassium and magnesium, and a powerful dose of vitamins K, E, and C. This isn't just food, it's practically a multi-nutrient delivery system.
Section 2. Heart-protecting healthy fats.
The foundational element for heart health here really comes down to the specific type of fat involved. Avocados are uniquely rich in monounsaturated fats, and from a nutritionist's view, this is absolutely critical because these fats are remarkably similar to those highly praised healthy fats you find in olive oil. This establishes a solid biological baseline for exactly why the avocado is so profoundly beneficial for our cardiovascular system in the long run.
And inside your bloodstream, it's not just about adding something good, it's about actively correcting an imbalance. Think of it like this. These monounsaturated fats perform a dual function. On one side, they actively lower your bad cholesterol, clinically known as LDL, but on the flip side, they simultaneously increase your good cholesterol, the HDL. This dual-action process is the exact mechanism the avocado uses to actively reduce your overall risk of heart disease. Pretty amazing, right?
But wait, the heart benefits don't stop with just the fats. Let's connect the dots back to those high levels of potassium and magnesium we saw earlier. These two minerals, they are absolutely crucial for regulating your daily blood pressure. By consistently providing these exact minerals, avocados actively help prevent hypertension and support the function of your entire cardiovascular system. So it's really a proactive defense for your heart.
Section 3. Fiber for weight management.
Now, because avocados are so high in fat, people often naturally assume they just lead to weight gain. Actually, scratch that. It's quite the opposite. From a nutritionist perspective, the avocado is actually one of the absolute top sources of both soluble and insoluble fiber. Now, why do we need both? Well, mechanically speaking, this combination works together in your digestive tract to smooth out bowel movements and add necessary stool volume. The clinical result? It effectively prevents constipation and keeps your digestive system operating at absolute peak efficiency.
Let's break down exactly how this impacts your weight. I want to guide you through this little cause and effect sequence happening right inside your body. Step 1. You consume the avocado's unique combination of dense fiber and healthy fats. Step 2. Because of this heavy, complex nutrient load, your overall digestion process physically slows down. And step 3. Because that digestion is slowed down, your stomach simply feels full for a significantly longer period of time.
And the biological reality here is that this prolonged feeling of fullness directly helps you maintain an ideal body weight, and it prevents the habit of overeating. That feeling of fullness translates directly into much easier weight management. You literally aren't fighting cravings because your body is genuinely and thoroughly satiated.
Section 4. Eye and bone-protecting nutrients.
First up, let's look at eye health. Avocados contain lutein and zeaxanthin. Now, these are vital phytochemicals. Specifically, they're incredibly strong antioxidants. Their critical role is shielding our sensitive eye tissue from environmental harm, specifically ultraviolet or UV damage. Plus, as we enter our older years, these specific antioxidants are proven to prevent the very real threat of age-related macular degeneration. They're basically acting as a powerful internal shield for your vision.
Next, let's examine bone health and the specific biological function of vitamin K. So, vitamin K is absolutely essential for preventing osteoporosis, and it does this through a pretty fascinating dual action mechanism. First, it actively increases the absorption of calcium right into your bones. But equally important, it actually reduces the amount of calcium that gets wasted and flushed out of your body through urine. It ensures the calcium you consume stays anchored exactly where it's needed most.
Now I want you to hear this really impressive number, 18%. You don't need to eat massive guacamole bowl amounts of avocados to get these bone-protecting benefits. Just half of a single avocado delivers roughly 18% of your daily vitamin K needs. It's just a highly efficient, high-yield way to fortify your skeleton and actively prevent bone degradation.
So, as we wrap up this clinical breakdown, I want to leave you with one final, provocative thought. Has your body received these nutrients today? We've seen the hard data, we've looked at the heart-protecting monounsaturated fats, the complex satiating fibers, the blood pressure-regulating minerals, and those vital, age-defying antioxidants. The avocado isn't just a trend, folks. It is a foundational tool for long-term health. Think about how you can practically apply this nutritionist perspective to your own daily diet. Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer, and keep learning how to best fuel your body.